Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy U.S. government bonds. We'll cover the different types of Treasury securities, where you can purchase them, and the key benefits of adding them to your investment portfolio. This guide will help you understand the process, making it easy to start investing in these secure assets. Let's get started with the basics of government bonds. U.S. government bonds come in several forms. Treasury bills or T-bills mature in 1 year or less. Treasury notes or T-notes have maturities ranging from 2 to 10 years. For longer-term investments, Treasury bonds or T-bonds mature in 20 or 30 years. Finally, Treasury inflation-protected securities, known as TIPS, offer protection against inflation, adjusting their principal value. You have a few convenient options for buying government bonds. The most direct way is through Treasury Direct, the official government website, where you can buy securities directly. Alternatively, you can purchase them through a bank or a brokerage firm, which often offer a wider range of investment services. For diversification, consider mutual funds or exchange-traded funds that invest in government securities. Investing in U.S. government bonds offers significant advantages. They are considered one of the safest investments due to the full faith and credit of the U.S. government. These bonds provide competitive interest rates, and the interest earned is often exempt from state and local income taxes. Remember to consider how changes in interest rates can affect the value of your bonds if you sell them before maturity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.